guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm here still in Helsinki Airport. So, gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo about my journey from Dubai Airport going here to Helsinki. So, actually, I was arrived in Dubai as around 1 a.m. around early in the morning. But sad to say, my flight was delayed. So, na-move siya sa 8:10 ng morning. So, but it's okay. Then, so, I want to share with the luggage, guys, kasi with my experience. So, yung airlines ko is Turkish Airlines. So, I have only 40 kg for my luggage. But, yung tinimbang nila yung luggage ko is around approximately around 42 kilograms, and yung hand carry ko actually it's ano talaga siya nasa 18 kg total with the backpack and the luggage travel. So actually hindi naman siya tinimbang actually doon sa Dubai airport, but actually they're checking only yung tawag dito, yung liquid items. So, na-remove nila yung shampoo ko, yung mouthwash at saka lotion. But it's fine kasi expected ko na rin talaga yon. Kasi I don't have talaga extra for that one to my luggage. So, una-una guys, I want to share with kung ano yung first step na ginawa ko doon. So, ang ginawa ko, una-una, chinikin ko yung luggage ko. Then, binigyan ako ng ah, boarding pass, yung ticket, two ticket from,
Hello?
ng ticket ko, wait lang, ha, check natin. Parang, basta from, Istanbul, um,
I have budgeting naman.
wait lang ha, just wait lang guys ha. Hanapin ko yung para alam ko yung time exactly. Wait lang, just hold for a moment.
We're only still here in the airport. You know, we're sitting only here in the 11 a.m. Huh? 11 a.m. They will pick us here. That is the
Ah,
schedule.
sorry pala guys. So, kinuha pala yung isa kong ticket. So, this is my ticket from boarding pass from Dubai to Istanbul. So,
I don't know
yun,
where
ito yung
there
binigay
is
nila sa akin ng
where
air
this
ticket
PX
na
Academy
boarding
dito from the
pass.
morning there.
So, pagdating mo dun sa after mo
You know how long
after mo magtawag dito,
how long it took there in
mo na yung
Istanbul?
luggage, punta ka na sa immigration area.
They
So
have
actually
Wi-Fi
pag
only
uh,
1 hour.
you have
1
travel,
hour
kapag
free Wi-Fi.
nakapag-travel ka naman by last year maybe, so you
Yeah.
need to scan the passport. Meron dito parang parang
Also,
siya,
only one
machine.
hour
You need to
Wi-Fi
scan
free
your
there.
passport. Pero ako kasi, I never traveled since my passport was renewed. So, ang ginawa ko, pumunta talaga ako personally sa immigration to check my passport, and I
After
show
that,
my
the
residence
first and then
permit also going to Finland. So, this is my residence
yeah, after
permit.
that that's it.
So,
Because we are
yun
the
lang
same flight
naman.
after.
Just after that, bilis lang. I just
Because
check,
we
and
have
after that,
free Wi-Fi.
check ng immigration officers. And then, after that, lumusot na ako. Then,
We're
after
still
that,
here in the airport
and
now.
check na
Tomorrow
nila yung
morning,
hand carry
they will
ko.
pick us here.
I told
Today
you a while ago,
morning.
that's approximately 18 kilo. Pero tinanggal, hindi naman nila tinimbang yun doon. But, um, actually, ano na lang yun eh. Tinanggal yan yung mga
Yeah, it's on
liquid,
schedule.
which I have shampoo,
They will pick us.
mouthwash, at saka, tawag dito,
Yeah,
yung
11.
lotion. So,
On schedule,
after
they will
that
pick us.
one, nag-board, na
11
okay na
a.m.
lahat. So, meron pa man akong may backpack ako at saka hand carry. Actually,
I'm
may
sure
food
but I
din
want
ako
to
na
know
water.
when
So,
I
they
still
allow me
want to
that one, my
remember.
country ticket. So, doon. Then, nag-boarding na ako sa Turkish Airlines. Then, dumating ako sa Istanbul around 12 p.m. In the afternoon. Then, pagdating ko sa, ano, sa Istanbul, so pumunta na ako sa international connecting area. So, which is, you need to present your passport at the same time your boarding pass para i-check nila ulit. Doon, para makapasok ka doon. Then, syempre, connecting flight naman kami from Istanbul, from Dubai to Helsinki. The same airlines din naman. So, doon lang kami yung luggage namin from Dubai na. So, automatic na yon. Pick up na lang namin dito sa Helsinki Airport. So, yung sumakay kami around hapon doon sa Helsinki Airport. Actually, hindi naman nila check yung, check lang ulit nila yung passport, my boarding pass, at the same time, my residence permit card. Yan, after that, I think around more than 3 hours, mahigit yung travel from Istanbul, Turkey, going to Finland here in Helsinki. So, pagdating namin dito sa Helsinki, anyway pala guys, sa ano pala, make sure din, kasi actually, ano din naman, chine-check din nila yung, ano pala, yung travel, yung mahanteri mo dito sa Istanbul. Pero hindi okay lang naman, same lang din, hindi naman nila tinimbang actually, no problem for that one. Sa ano lang yun sa Dubai, starting from Dubai. Pero yung sa Abu Dhabi, I think, kailangan yata yung kinikilo nila doon, according to one of my friends. So, yun, from pagdating na namin dito sa Helsinki, um, ano na kami except dumaan kami sa immigration. Actually, wala nang, actually, they asked me, the immigration officer here, they asked me about my passport and my residence permit card. So they asked me what I'm doing here. So I told them mag-work ako as practical nurse at the same time. Then after that, sabi niya, first time mo ba sa here in Finland? Sabi ko, yes. Sabi niya sa akin, welcome to you. Tapos yun lang naman after that. Wala na masyadong tanong. Tapos okay na yun. Nakalabas na kami sa immigration or in Helsinki. But yung may mga pila kami, may nauna sa amin na talagang in-hold sila lahat. Marami silang na-hold actually. Then, pagdating naman dito, lumabas na kami because we're still waiting for our, kasi tomorrow morning pa kami susunduin ng um, ano namin, agency namin going to our temporary shelter kasi mag registration for bank or etc. So, I will tell you about that sa mga susunod ko na video muna. So, gusto ko lang muna yung dito na travel. So, actually, pagdating mo dito sa Helsinki, pagdating namin dito, after the immigration, kinuha na namin yung luggage namin, which is, andun na nag-antay na sa number 6 area for pick up the luggage. So, at the same time, pagdating mo dito sa Helsinki Airport, maganda naman yung airport nila. At the same time, maraming mga food. Uh, you can be, talaga, tulad sa amin dito, we are now in Helsinki Market. Sa labas, this one guys, nakikita nyo is coffee shop yan. Ayun, coffee shop actually yan. Pwede ka dito magtambay sa labas. So, yun, maraming matas sa doon. Yan. Yan. So, yun lang. That's my journey from Dubai going here in Helsinki. I hope meron kayo nakukuha sa video na to, at least kahit papano. If you want to travel the same thing from Dubai to Helsinki, at least you have idea about that already. And my name is Abdul Jabbar, and this is my videos, and moi moi, nadan, ketus, don't forget to subscribe and like my